Okay, so if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering whether or not your state will receive Trump's $400 unemployment boost, when it's coming, and whether or not it will actually be $400 or $300. In this video, I'll answer all of these questions as quickly as possible, as well as include a quick stimulus check update at the very end of the video. Welcome back, guys. Please like the video if you like this content. Please subscribe. I'll be posting updates almost daily. Now on the map here, you'll see a bunch of green states. The dark green states have been approved for the unemployment boost. That is 32 states, so most likely your state falls under this category. If you see the light green states, those are in process to apply or will be applying soon, so that's also good news. The red state here, that's actually South Dakota. They have indicated that they will not be applying, so I'm really sorry. If you're from South Dakota, you will not be receiving this extra unemployment boost. The good news is that is the only state to have announced that they will not be applying. Now, these orange states here have not announced whether or not they will apply, so there's a little more uncertainty with those states. That includes Florida, Hawaii, Kansas, Minnesota, Nebraska, North Dakota, South Carolina, and Wisconsin. Now, if you're from those states, unfortunately, they have not announced whether or not they'll apply, so there is a lot of uncertainty with those states. Now, you're probably also wondering, are you even going to get the full $400, or will this be a $300 boost? Now, the bad news here is only the green states on this map have announced that they will add the $100 boost to make it a full $400. That includes Kentucky, Montana, and West Virginia. So those three green states you see on the map here, those will be giving you the full $400. All these blue states here, they will not be adding that extra $100. That is the majority of the country, so you will most likely only get an extra $300 boost if your state falls into one of these blue colors here. Now, if you are yellow or gray, those states have not yet announced what they'll be doing, so there's a little less clarity. The good news is there is a chance you might still get the full $400, but we still have to wait and see. Now, beyond that, you're probably wondering when these checks will even come. People need this money, and it's already been really delayed. Now, there is a map here that shows you which states have already begun sending checks. The dark green right here, which is only Texas and Arizona on your left, those are the only two states that have begun sending checks. These blue states here should be sending them soon in about early September, which is about 1 to 2 weeks. Beyond that, most states will not be sending these until late September to early October. And if you see all these gray states, which is actually the majority of the country, they have not yet even announced when they'll be sending these checks. Now, that doesn't mean they'll be coming even later into November. They could still come late September. They just have not announced it yet. Now, the most likely scenario here is if your state has already been approved for the unemployment boost, you will most likely be receiving these in the next 4 weeks. They just have not announced it yet. So keep an eye out. We should be getting updates almost daily, and we should find out soon when these checks will drop. Again, only Arizona and Texas have begun. These blue states will send in early September, and the majority of states still have not announced it. Okay, so moving on to a quick stimulus check update. Guys, nothing is set in stone. There will still most likely be a $1,200 stimulus check. Republicans are attempting to make a smaller stimulus package that does not include a stimulus check. However, Democrats are pushing back, and nothing is set in stone until Democrats and Republicans are both back in Congress, which won't even be until mid-September. So nothing is set in stone. Everything is a rumor. There is no clarity still, but we should most likely get the $1,200 check because both sides originally agreed on it. But we'll have to wait and see, unfortunately, guys. But that being said, thanks for watching this video. Please like it if you like this content. Please subscribe. I'll be posting updates almost daily. Guys, I hope you're doing okay, and thank you for everything you do. Thanks, and have a great day.